Good day to you. We're going to talk about the lead command on Postgres. This is my Nexus. I've been working on this for 20 years with my team, and it's going to query all system, migrate data between all systems, and federate across every system. It's pretty amazing. We're going to use this to demo our lead command on Postgres. Who doesn't love this database? Here is a select command that's going to select the product ID, sale date, and daily sales from the sales table. But I'm also going to do an ordered analytic called lead. And they go, what are you going to do the lead on? I go, the column daily sales. You'll see the word over on all ordered analytics because this works over an ordered set, and I'm going to order by product ID and sale date. You do that within the command. And when I run this, it'll do the lead of daily sales, and I'll show you what that means. But recognize it first sorts the ordered set by product ID and sale date, and then it will do the lead. So here is our answer set. Now we can see right here, we've got row 1. We made 48,850 on May 1st, 2023. But on the next day or next row, we made 54,522. That's what the lead does. It takes the next value and puts it on the same line. But I don't like the way that data on that lead is structured, so I am going to cast it as a decimal 10-2. Here's a little trick to cast the data on Postgres. Real easy. And now we can see we made 48,850 in row 1. The next day is going to be 54.5, but it's on the same line. And that's what a lead does. It gives you the value one row down, side by side. Now, I'm going to do a wide variety of things to show you here, some techniques to make this beautiful. Here I'm getting the day of the week as well. So we can see that on the first row, it was a Monday and the second a Tuesday. Now that we know that, let's go out and alias the columns a little differently. So this time I'm going to run this again, get rid of my date, but I'm going to put Monday as daily sales, Tuesday as the alias for the next row. So now we can see what we made on Monday, and then on the same line, what we're making on Tuesday. And now you'll see us add to this continually until we produce a pretty amazing report at the end. Here we've seen the lead command, but here's what I want to point out. We did a lead of 1, which is the default, but you can put the number 2 in, and it says, okay, I'll give you the daily sales of the current row, and then the value 2 rows down. So we're going to call this Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday because now we've got multiple lead commands. 1 row down and 2 rows down. That's right. Notice we're ordering by product ID and sale date. We're going to add a new command here. It's called partition by. So we want to group by product ID. 1000s are grouped, 2000s are grouped, 3000s are grouped. And then it's going to run the command and partition everything. It's like a group by. But in ordered analytics, it's always partition by what do you want to reset on? And they go product ID 1000. There you are. And I want you to notice a few things. We've got Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday here. But notice these null values. That's because they go, there is no value 2 rows down because then product ID breaks. So the partition by only calculates within product ID 1000, then it does it for 2000, then it does it for 3000. You'll see some nulls. We're going to get rid of those. Okay. So now we're going to add a 3 row down. We've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and that's the way we're doing our lead here. And everything matches up from horizontally to vertically and vice versa. So notice we have some nulls. We'll get rid of those. Let's get every single day of the week captured right here. I've got 1 to 6 in terms of my leads, And now I've aliased those Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and that's what I have. Now the report's looking like it's coming together, but we need to get rid of those nulls so that we can see everything from product ID 1000 on one line, 2000, one line, 3000, one line. Here's how I'm going to do it. Watch this. I'm going to build this in a derived table, which lasts only the life of this query. All I need to do is put open paren and close paren around the actual query. Then I'm going to come up and give this a name. This will run, and then I will say, I'm going to select everything from this derived table. And I'm going to give it a name. We'll call it as Nexus. Now it's getting close. See, it will run everything inside the parens and say, I built this table or result set. I put it in a table called Nexus, which is a derived table. And I'm going to select everything from that Nexus where Sunday is not null. And the only rows that have that are the first row in 1000, 2000, and 3000 that we partitioned. Look at this. This is what you want. Do you know how nice this is to graph? This is a beautiful picture of everything we did for the entire week for product ID 1000, 2000, and 3000. There's multiple ways to write a derived table. Let me show you the other way. I once again slap parens around it. This is even easier. I'm going to come to the top and say, with Nexus as, and that means create a table, a derived table lasting the life of this query, name Nexus, and there's how you materialize it. Now that data sits inside Nexus. Now I'm going to select everything from Nexus where Sunday is not null, and this is how it's going to work. Right there. Pretty slick. You think that's impressive? I'm going to show you something that is actually going to mind boggle you. I'm going to put subscriber number in the search bar for all my systems. And this is going to show me every single place that subscriber number exists on Snowflake. Everywhere subscriber number exists on Databricks, on Postgres, on Redshift, on all my systems. So this is a search that has been able to capture everything. Now, I just right-clicked on my Postgres subscriber accidents table. It puts it in the superjoin builder. It shows it visually. And now Nexus will write the SQL for you. I just dragged in a Snowflake table, and it's going to join by subscriber number and member number. Now I actually have a Postgres table and a Snowflake table. And let's go grab ourselves, let's see here. How about an Oracle table? I'm going to drag in the claims table right here. Just touch whatever you want to join it to. We'll join it to the Snowflake table. Tell it how it joins. Subscriber number, blue button. Member number, a blue button. Say finish. And now all I have to do is pick the columns I want on the report. And Nexus will perform one query here and bring back the results from 3 tables. Here we go. Let's pick subscriber number, member number. We'll go with claim date, claim amount. Here we go. We're grabbing some ticket information. Now the report is built. There is my SQL automatically created instantly. Actually, I think I'm going to order the data by subscriber number, member number, and we'll go with last name. Great. And there is, once again, how it does the order by. You just touch, Nexus builds the SQL on every system. That's the amazing part. Here I can see in my chart here all three of these, and it'll show me how many records it expects. Now I'm going to change the hub here to Postgres. Postgres is the hub. That means that it's going to bring over all the foreign tables from Oracle and Snowflake to Postgres. Look how fast it processed that. That join was processed on Postgres. Now I'm going to change it up. Maybe I have a big Snowflake table. So I can change the hub to Snowflake. The SQL changes. Now Nexus changes the table conversions, data types, and load scripts. Now the Postgres and the Oracle table are moving over to Snowflake, where the join will happen there. I can perform the hub anywhere, and Nexus will move the tables to that hub. And if I have less than 1 million rows, which I do, watch this. I change the hub, okay? Let's see here. Changing it to Oracle now. Watch this. Now it'll change the SQL to Oracle SQL, convert the data types. Every table is going to move over to the Oracle system where it's going to perform the join right there. That's what nobody's been able to figure out yet. Federation, you got to be able to have versatility. This is the ultimate versatile. I am going to choose my PC as the hub. When I execute this, each table is queried separately, brought to the PC where Nexus joins it inside the PC. That's the way you do this. Now, we're going to recap what we did with the lead command. But why do it like this when we can do this in dark mode? Save the eyes. Nexus Chameleon will join across all systems, federate across all systems. It's a chameleon that not only fits in any environment, this will change colors just like it should when you want it to. And now we're in dark mode. I just ran all of my commands again. In the first result, we did the lead. Then we actually performed and got the date, Monday through Sunday. Then we came in and said, hey, listen, I'm going to alias these as Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Then I'm going to partition it, which we produced some nulls. And then we did every day using our derived table. That's how you do the lead command on Postgres.